The Xiaomi Watch S1 Active isn't a new smartwatch, but it is being given a wider release along with the Watch S1 after the duo were first launched in China at the back end of 2021. The S1 Active is the sportier of the two, but does offer all the same features as the Watch S1. That includes over 100 fitness modes, dual-band multi-system GPS for accurate outdoor location tracking, and smartwatch features like Amazon Alexa and NFC payments via MasterCard. For the money, the Xiaomi Watch S1 Active feels like a better proposition than the Xiaomi Watch S1. You get largely the same experience for less money. You'll have to live with the sportier look, but if you're after a smartwatch that offers decent fitness tracking in a slim, exercise-friendly appearance, then the Xiaomi Watch S1 Active fits the bill. For those searching out the best smartwatch at this price, however, there are better options out there. The Watch S1 is the stylish model of Xiaomi's two releases, with the Watch S1 Active being the fitness-focused option. And that becomes clear once you strap it on. The moment I put it on, I found it feels like a much better fit for exercise than the S1 I just finished reviewing. It doesn't have the stainless steel or sapphire glass finish of the S1, but you do get a similar size 46mm watch case that's available in a choice of moon white, space black or ocean blue shades, with 6 different colors of floor rubber straps, too. The S1 Active is lighter than the S1 too, at just over 36 grams, making it much more comfortable to wear while you're getting sweaty. There is some metal around the screen, which is eye-catching, delivering a more distinctive appearance over the Watch S1. The physical buttons here are flatter compared to those on the Watch S1, but they operate in the same way, to let you wake up the display, while the bottom one offers a shortcut to the workout tracking screen. Front and center is a 1.43-inch AMOLED touchscreen display with a 326 ppi resolution, and a screen brightness up to 450 nit. That's an overall jump up in quality from the Xiaomi Mi Watch, which packs a 1.39-inch, 454 by 454 resolution AMOLED display. As far as delivering a design that feels more memorable and unique from the rest of the fitness-centric smartwatches out there, there's a little more to the Watch S1 Active compared to the Watch S1. Crucially, it's light and comfortable to wear, has a strong display, and is fit to work on land and in the water, if you fancy taking it for a dip too. The Xiaomi Watch S1 Active offers all the same smartwatch features as the Watch S1, and what that means is that you're getting a good enough experience that's a step up from that offered by the Xiaomi Mi Watch. For starters, it's compatible with both Android phones and iPhones, and I didn't encounter any major issues pairing it with my Android device and setting it up for testing. Note that you'll need the Mi Fitness phone app for setup, which is a bit quirky in places and presentation. The UI pushes a lot of information to you in a way that's not entirely logical, especially if you're coming off a Fitbit or Apple Watch. Many of the more useful information is hard to spot at a glance early on as a result. Thankfully, after a few minutes tinkering with the watch's settings, you can get it into a state where it does the job. The S1 Active's headline features include smart assistant support for Amazon Alexa, the ability to take calls via Bluetooth, and contactless payments via MasterCard. 2 out of the 3 worked fine during testing. In terms of health, fitness and sports tracking, everything the Xiaomi Watch S1 can do, the Watch S1 Active can do, too, but in a lighter and more exercise-friendly appearance. I'd say the Watch S1 Active is a better fitness tracker than a sports watch, but there are some decent elements on that front as well. So, for sensors you have both accelerometer and gyroscope motion sensors for tracking indoor activities or swims, as well as covert monitoring of steps. There's air pressure and magnetic sensors for additional outdoor data, and a PPG heart rate sensor, which is also capable of measuring blood oxygen levels. Head outdoors and the Watch S1 Active offers support for the 5 big satellite systems including GPS, GLONASS and Galileo. Xiaomi includes dual-band multi-system GPS too, whereby the device grabs multiple signals from supported systems to deliver more accurate location tracking. Outside of running, there are more than 100 other activities supported, plus there's some automatic exercise tracking support here, too. I found the S1 Active performed well for pulse swims and for indoor rowing sessions. Accuracy remained an issue for treadmill running, but, overall, it wasn't all bad on the tracking front. For those who like to monitor heart rate during exercise, I'd say the S1 Active does a good job, but like many optical sensors, it can struggle to keep up with sudden spikes in heart rate, which usually occurs during high-intensity training. The smartwatch's heart rate sensor held up against a chest strap monitor for steady-paced workouts, but it did show signs of struggle as well. Xiaomi does offer women's health tracking, stress monitoring via heart rate variability, and guided breathing exercises here too. These are features we've seen crop on other smartwatches already, and for stress monitoring and breathing exercises in particular, there's nothing new or innovative in the approach to delivering those features. The S1 Active's 470 mAh capacity battery is designed to deliver 12 days in standard mode, and 24 days in the battery saver mode. The latter restricts features you have at your disposal. As mentioned, the Watch S1 Active doesn't really offer anything really different over the Watch S1 to cause a greater or lesser drain on battery, so I found it lasted a week while using the advanced sleep monitoring features, with regular use of the GPS for outdoor tracking. Note that if you put the screen into always on mode, then you'll see this time drop. 12 days as standard mode is achievable, but you'll have to sacrifice some continuous monitoring features to achieve it. In addition, Xiaomi uses a different style of charging disc cradle to power up the device, so unlike the S1 it doesn't support wireless charging. As a sub-$200 smartwatch, the Xiaomi Watch S1 Active offers a lot for the money. It's well built, with a great screen, and is comfortable to wear 24/7. As a sports, fitness and wellness tracker, it performs well, but isn't going to rival a Garmin or Polar watch. As a smartwatch, it covers the basics with headline features currently absent. If you take that same money and spend it elsewhere, the Fitbit Versa 2 will give you a better software experience on and off the watch, while a Amazfit can offer a much sleeker appearance. Xiaomi hasn't surpassed what else is out there, but does offer another solid option at this price point. Thank you for watching this video. I appreciate every comment from you. Subscribe to the channel. See you soon.